girl with the short skirt and a long...
I want a short skirt, don't they all? Christy Lore is here, stylist. And you know, why is it the short skirt, the mini dress, still maintains its popularity year after year?
Well, you know, in the warmer months, everyone wants to show a little bit of skin, and they spend, you know, they work so hard at the gym, so they want to show their legs off. It's just a great trend that, like you said, it always comes back season to season.
Well, let me say, though, it's a great trend if you can pull it off, because not everyone has the confidence. So you're going to give us a few options as well for people that don't quite feel they have the figure necessarily for a mini dress, all right?
Exactly.
Let's bring out our first model.
So the first one here is Pala. So this is something for a 20-year-old. You know, we see a lot of the young celebrities wear something like this, like Kristen Stewart. And so this is from BP Dakota, from a great store called De Jour in Gastown. So love the fresh floral prints. Again, super, super mini, and I love these strapless, so it's very flattering. And wearing the hair to one side here, as she has, just really shows off, you know, the exposed shoulders, the collarbone. So super day wear mini.
Yeah, and it seems to me you probably could carry it in tonight if you wanted because of the color as well, depending on what the accessories are, right?
Right, exactly. And keeping the accessories really minimal here and opt for no necklace, just to really focus on the dress.
Fabulous. Thank you so much. Now, as we bring out our next model, maybe let's talk about the fact that not everyone has the perfect figure for it. What are some great options if you feel like maybe, I mean, I carry a little bit of weight on my bottom half. I'll just say it's me. How could I get away with wearing something like this?
I mean, you don't want to go super mini, of course, and I'll show you that coming up. And just pick the style that really you feel comfortable in, and because you're showing so much leg, opt for a more conservative top, so you wouldn't want to show too much bust or cleavage, for example. And so this one here is great for nighttime. This is from Holt Renfrew, and I love the one shoulder. We're seeing a lot of that this year as well. And just opting to wear your hair up to really, again, show off the style. And
I love the diagonal lines on it.
Yeah,
you know, to me, it offers a
flattering.
whole different dimension. So much. Let's bring out our next one. Now, what about the patterns here, as well as a little more flowy? That's a different look for a mini altogether.
Yeah, exactly. So this is more casual day wear. This is from Holt Renfrew as well. So this is more for the curvy model. What we love about this, it really works for the curvy model because it's the busy pattern. It draws the eye away from any lumps and bumps.
Okay.
And as well as pairing it with a statement necklace such as this one, and again the one shoulder, it really draws your attention up to the face and away from any curves. And as well as it's important not to go too short if you're a little bit curvier. You want to make sure that the hemline, it falls just below the larger part of the leg.
Okay, so it doesn't cut you off in that part.
And another key thing here is the nude shoe. Really elongates the leg for to make your legs look a little longer.
All right, thank you so much. It seems to me that we could also possibly go with tights, or I would even say maybe even jeans. I mean, I'm no stylist, but I think great with jeans.
Yeah, you could definitely go with a skinny jean, for sure. And so this next one here is Michelle. This is from H&M. So this is something for the woman with killer legs in her 40s. So think Jennifer Aniston. She loves to show off her legs, so you do need to be fit if you're in that age and you wear something like this. This is a great evening look. Paired with the blazer, gives it a more age-appropriate look. And guess how much that dress is?
Tell me how much.
$39.95.
So, you know, that's a great option. If you're looking for something that's trendy, that you want to be able to kind of keep over the long term and maybe wear periodically, that seems like a great price point.
Exactly. So again, just an overall great look for someone who's a little bit more mature. Stay away from any frills, any frou-frou, any girly styles, keeping it a little bit more classic.
Let's bring all our models out. You mentioned age. Is there any age where you should just go forget it? You're not wearing the mini?
50.
You're going to say 50?
Yeah,
depends on the body, I guess.
You have to be
confidence.
fit. You have to be fit.
Fabulous. For more information, of course, on Christy Lore, you can go to her website, ChristyLore.com. We'll also have information on our website, breakfasttelevision.ca. Michelle, I'm thinking I'm going to go with the one on the end with black tights and boots.
Very nice. Yeah, I am with you there. Awesome look.